Viewers, another extraordinary, shocking, and controversial legal development has emerged in American history. A moment that not only shook the federal courtroom, but also sent alarm bells ringing through the power corridors of Washington. From the judge's bench echoed the firm words, "Enough is enough. You are removed from this courtroom." And within moments, the lawyers representing former U.S. President Donald Trump were ordered to leave the courtroom. This was not merely a routine court incident. It was a legal meltdown whose consequences could be felt for months, if not years to come. Donald Trump is currently facing multiple legal cases. These include alleged violations of federal law, criminal charges at the state level, and constitutional questions of significant importance. This case is not limited to Trump as an individual. It is widely viewed as a test case for American democracy, judicial independence, and the rule of law. Given this sensitive backdrop, no one anticipated that the courtroom atmosphere would deteriorate to such an extent. The federal courtroom was already tense. Trump's lawyers presented their arguments aggressively. However, according to legal experts, this aggressiveness crossed established legal boundaries. The defense team was seen repeatedly interrupting the judge's questions, challenging court orders, and launching personal attacks against opposing counsel. All of this occurred on the official court record. At one point, when the judge instructed the lawyers to maintain courtroom decorum, the response was raised voices, a sharper, more hostile tone, and an open challenge to the authority of the court. It was at that moment everyone present realized the line had been crossed. The federal judge responded in clear and firm terms. "This court cannot be used as a political stage. Here the law speaks, not noise." A brief silence followed. Then came the order that would become part of courtroom history. Trump's lawyers were immediately removed from the courtroom. The decision was unusual, strict, but according to the judge, unavoidable. Removing lawyers from a courtroom is considered an extremely serious matter in any legal proceeding. According to legal analysts, a judge's perception can be affected. Judicial sympathy may diminish. Future rulings can become more stringent. A former federal prosecutor stated, "When lawyers fail to respect the court, judges, even subconsciously, tend to adopt a tougher stance." Trump's legal team had already faced criticism for allegedly attempting to politicize the courtroom, relying heavily on media narratives, favoring emotional rhetoric over legal argument. This meltdown has reinforced those concerns. The key question remains, was this a deliberate strategy or simply a loss of control? Legal experts suggest that following this incident, judges may offer less flexibility, deadlines could become stricter, and rulings may be less favorable. It is also possible that the court will scrutinize Trump's legal motions more closely. The credibility of the defense team could suffer. The incident did not remain confined to the courtroom. In the political arena, reactions have been swift. Trump's supporters describe it as systemic overreach, political retaliation. Critics, however, argue that it reflects a pattern of behavior that places individuals above the law. Media outlets have labeled the incident as courtroom meltdown, unprecedented legal chaos. On social media, videos, analyses, and intense debate continue to circulate widely. History shows that in major legal cases, small moments can change everything. This incident may prove to be a critical legal turning point for Donald Trump, or a self-inflicted setback. Viewers, respect, restraint, and adherence to the law in court are not merely ethical expectations. They are the foundation of legal success. The events in federal court serve as a reminder that, no matter how powerful someone may be, everyone stands equal before the law. Now the question remains, where will this meltdown lead Donald Trump's legal journey next?